Today we will discuss the solution for the logical reasoning questions for the Math Olympiad competitive exam. So I am discussing today class 6 logical reasoning section 1. First question, choose the related word from the given alternatives. Monday is to Saturday, proportionate to Thursday is to. So here we have to count after Monday. After Monday it will come Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then comes Saturday. So after 4 days Saturday is coming. Same like that we have to count after Thursday. And let's see what comes after the 4 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So after 4 days Tuesday is coming. So answer will be C, Tuesday. Second question. Pointing out to a lady, Rohit said, she is the daughter of a woman who is the mother of the husband of my mother. How is the lady related to Rohit? So, Rohit is pointing to a lady and he is saying, she is the daughter of a woman who is the mother of the husband of my mother. So, husband of my mother means that is Rohit's father. So here Rohit is pointing to his father. Then she is the daughter of a woman who is the mother of the husband of my mother. So here Rohit's father and this one is Rohit's grandmother. And this woman, this woman means she is the grandmother of Rohit. And then she is the daughter. This lady is the daughter of this woman. So this woman is Rohit's grandmother. So this lady is that grandmother's daughter. That means grandmother's daughter and his father is grandmother's son. Therefore they are brother and sister. Therefore this lady and Rohit is related as his aunt. This lady is his aunt. A. Next, number 3. The following questions contain 3 items. Using the relationship between these items, match each question with the most suitable diagram given below. Your answer is the number which denotes that diagram. You can see the diagrams here. This one, 3 and 4, and the items are white, shirt, sari, and options are given like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, and D, 4. So here the most possible answer is C, because here white, this one 3, because here white is a color, shirt and sari are clothes, and it can be, the shirt and sari can be white color. So this is most possible answer. Number 4. In an examination, a student attempted 23 questions and secured 45 marks. If for every correct answer 3 marks were awarded and for every wrong answer 1 mark was deducted, then how many of his answers were wrong? Let's see how to do this. So here in this question, the student attempted 23 questions and he secured 45 marks. We don't know how many questions out of this 23, how many questions he wrote correctly and how many mistakes he made. That we don't know. He secured 45 marks and 3 marks were awarded for every correct answer and 1 mark was deducted for every wrong answer. We have to find out how many of his answers were wrong. Out of these 23 questions, how many questions he made wrong. That we need to find out. So for that, first we are assuming that let the correct answers be X. That means he wrote X correct answers. Out of this 23 questions, he wrote X numbers correctly and Y numbers wrong out of this 23. Now we know that this together makes X plus Y. This correct answers and wrong answers together makes the number 23. That we know that. And for the correct answer, 3 marks. That means 3x. For every correct answer, he will get 3 marks. And for every wrong answer, 1 mark is deducted. Like this. And he scored total marks 45. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now, if we solve this equation by adding 1 and 2, then it will come like this. 4x 1 into y is same as y, so plus y minus y will become 0 equals 868. So x equals 68 divided by 4, which is equal to 17. So we get the number of correct answers is 17. Out of 23 questions he attempted, 17 answers he wrote correctly. Now for finding the wrong answers, we can substitute this value in this x plus y. That is 17 plus y equals 23. Therefore y equals 23 minus 17, which is equal to 6. Therefore the wrong answers is 6. Option B. Next question number 5. Pooja's house is to the west of Ram's house at a distance of 8 meters in the same row facing north. If Neeta's house is in the southeast direction of Pooja's house at a distance of 17 meters and in the same column with Ram's house, then what will be the distance of Neeta's house from Ram's house? So first we can draw a picture. Pooja's house is to the west of Ram's house at a distance of 8 meters in the same row facing north. So Pooja's and Ram's house in the same row. So let here be the Ram's house, then Pooja's and Ram's house in the same row. Row means like this, and it is facing to the west. Not facing to the west, is to the west of Ram's house. And let it be, this be Pooja's house, because both of them are in the same row and it is at a distance of 8 meter, which is facing to north. Now next it is given that if Neeta's house is in the southeast direction of Pooja's house at a distance of 17 meters. So southeast direction means the direction will come like this. This is east, west, north, south. So Neeta's house is in the southeast direction of Pooja's house at a distance of 17 meters and in the same column with Ram's house. So column means like this. So Neeta's house is the same column, in the same column with the Ram. So Neeta's house will come here. What will be the distance of Neeta's house from Ram's house? We have to find the distance between Ram's and Neeta's house. This distance. And this distance is given as, from Pooja to Neeta's house distance is given as 17 meter. So we need to find the distance, this one. We can give it as x. So we can, this is a right triangle. Let it be A, B, C. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem here. That is, according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals base square plus altitude square, or height square. So this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse and this is the base and this is the height or altitude. Hence we can write like this. According to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals base square plus altitude square. Here the hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle. Here the right angle is this one. So the side opposite to that is the hypotenuse, base and height, altitude square. 17 square is 289. 8 square is 64 plus x square. Now we can take this 64 to this side and x square in one side. 289 minus 64 equals x square. 289 minus 64, 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2, which is equal to x square. So x equals square root of 225, which is 15 meter. Therefore, the distance is 15 meter, the required distance. The distance of Neeta's house from Ram's house is 15 meter. Option C. Next, number 6. If Ra C T stands for see the water, La Ra Ki stands for the blue sky, and Pa Mit Ki stands for shoes are blue, then which word stands for sky? Let's see how to crack down this. Here we have to find which word stands for sky. So sky is only in this one, the second one. So let us take this. We don't know La, this stands for the, blue or sky. Any word, it can be any word, the, blue or sky. So we can write like this. La stands for blue, the, blue or sky. We don't know which one. Now Ra, this one also, anyone. We don't know which one. But here Ra is used in the first one also. So let's see how we can write. Ra is used in the first and second line. So Ra can be either see the water or the blue sky. But see here, the both in both the lines the is repeating. Here also the, here also the, and Ra is also repeating here and here. So this one sky is not possible. Ra will not be sky. It is the. Now next one, key. Key can be either, the will not come because we know that Ra is the. Blue, sky, shoes are or blue, because key is also in the third one. Shoes are blue. Either shoes or blue or are. Anyone will come as key. So here blue and blue repeating. Therefore key is blue. Here and here key is there. So blue and blue repeating. So key will be blue. So the and blue we can cancel. So the word sky stands for La. This one, B. Next one, ocean is to water proportionate to glacier is to ice. Ice is the possible answer. Next one, we have to find the answer for this middle triangle, this question mark. First one, here this side is 7, 4 and 9, 12, 3 and 9, 16, 5 and 4. Here first 7 into 4 minus this 19, that is 28, minus 9. 28 minus 9, which is equal to 19. And here 16 into 5, it is given as, here it is given as 76. So 16 into 5 minus 4. 16 into 5, 80 minus 4, which is 76. So finding this one, 12 into 3 minus 9. 12 3s are 36 minus 9, which is equal to 27. Therefore, the option C, option B, 27. Here for finding the missing number, first we have to do 17 square minus 8 square. 17 square minus 8 square. 17 square is 289 minus 64, which is 225. And this one, 8 square minus 3 square. 8 square is 64 minus 3 square is 9, which is equal to 55. So for finding this number, missing number, 14 square minus 9 square. 196 minus 81, which is equal to 115. Therefore, The correct answer is option B.